Exercise 1. Welcome back to FitMotion. Let's start our stair jump plyometrics. It's a great way to warm up and get your heart rate going. Let's do this for 1 minute. Next is exercise jump on Fitbox plyometric. Bring your knees up high and keep your core tight to maximize calorie burn. Go for 45 seconds. Moving on to jump step-up cardio. Keep your back flat and drive your knees toward your chest as fast as you can. Do this for 30 to 45 seconds. Now slow it boxing right hook. Maintain a steady pace and breathe deeply. If you like these workouts, please subscribe to FitMotion for more. Now slow it twisting knee thrust plyometrics. Use this time to recover while keeping your body in motion. Do this for 1 minute. Finally, we have boxing left hook. Drop low and jump high to finish strong. Thanks for watching. Stay fit with FitMotion.